Can acupuncture remove my wrinkles? All of us are fighting against a common foe, that of aging and all of the problems that it brings along with it. For some of us, it brings along problems that we need to fight on a continuous basis in the form of disease or decreased energy. For others, it may be a matter of the effects of aging showing on our face and other areas of our body. People will spend an unusual amount of money in order to make themselves look young again. Not only do they spend a lot of money, they may also take risks with their health in order to remove wrinkles. Some of the most popular forms of facelifts include chemical peels, surgery, and micro-dermabrasion. All of these are invasive and can damage our skin in order to make it look better. This has sparked an interest in natural health as a way to remove some of the wrinkles from our face, specifically through the use of acupuncture as a facelift. Is acupuncture actually able to help remove wrinkles from our face and to make us look young again? The answer may surprise you. First of all, it's important for us to explain that acupuncture is not and never will be the same as a facelift. This is because treatment through acupuncture is natural and not invasive in any way. The only thing that is invasive about acupuncture are the needles that are used, and they hardly even damage your skin at all. Regardless of the actual term, however, many people have experienced great benefits with their skin through the use of acupuncture. This is for several different reasons. Some doctors will use acupuncture directly on the wrinkles in order to stimulate the skin to grow and to heal. Going deeper than that, however, acupuncture actually promotes the free flow of energy throughout the body, which can make you feel and look better from the inside out. Whenever you are glowing and youthful as a result of your acupuncture treatments, the effects will be plain to see on the outside as well. Although acupuncture cannot remove all of the wrinkles from your face, it is one step toward a more natural, healthy you. By keeping your body in balance and maintaining that balance, you will take a chunk out of the aging process that will show to everyone that looks.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.